and gals, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Gearheadgirl, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your viscous fan.
Alright guys and gals, so if your viscous fan spins around like that and has a lot of play and is leaking out all the viscous fluid, it might be time for a replacement. Alright, so to remove the viscous fan, you're going to want a size 32 wrench. You're going to go after that nut right down there in the middle. It is reverse threaded. Alright, so you can see here how super loose that is. And then we got one here, the blades are broken, but this is much. It doesn't spin freely at all. Whereas that, you can just, whoop, that's not really, takes a lot more effort to move it. So we're going to take this part and stick it with these blades. So we're going to use, let's see here, we've got bolts on this one. And hex keys on this one, but good news for us is they are the same part number. Alright, so now we've got our new viscous fan ready to go. You can see we're going to be screwing it on right there. And again, this is going to be reverse thread. Get it started, if it's a good viscous fan, you should be able to just tighten it by spinning the fan blades. When we took this off, you certainly couldn't do this because it was pretty shot. There we go. Alright, and now you can see when you try to flick it, it doesn't just spin around everywhere. In fact, it barely moves at all, which is what you want. That's really good. And there's none of that side-to-side play. Job done.
Alright guys and gals, thanks for watching. I'll catch you back in the next one. See ya.